Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Whitefish, Ontario, a small community located west of Sudbury along the Trans-Canada Highway. Settlers first came to this area in the late 1800s, drawn by the opportunities in logging, mining, and farming. Over time, the railway brought more people and helped the community grow. The town was named after the whitefish that were once plentiful in the nearby lakes, an important food source for both Indigenous peoples and early settlers. Today, Whitefish still keeps its close connection to nature, with fishing, boating, and outdoor recreation being part of everyday life. The surrounding forests and waterways make it a beautiful stop in any season. Whether you're just passing through or staying to explore, Whitefish offers a warm welcome and a taste of small-town Northern Ontario charm. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Whitefish, Ontario. Thanks for watching!